I'll just quickly show you guys how I achieve the ombre color when I want to make an ombre braid. This came out really beautiful and I bet you guys are going to love it. So if you've been looking to achieve this kind of ombre, this kind of mist color on your braid, I've got you. Just sit and relax. Let's dive into the video. If you're a stylist, you want to learn how to make hair, you want to learn how to mix colors, you want to learn how to braid, how to make wigs, all those stuff, then you have to stick to this channel because you're going to love it here. So these are the both color 27, color 30. So what I would normally do, I will just mix it this way. I take some from here. Just pay attention to what I do anyway. So what I'm actually doing, I'm picking from this color and mix it together. So you can see it's gradually coming out. So when I pick one of the color 30, I pick some from here. What I normally do is to pick them, the both color different times. So I've picked this and 27. So the next one I'm going to cut to add to it is 30, and then I'll go back to 27. I just want to make sure you guys understand what I'm doing. So I go back to 30, and then I go back to 27, and then I cut from 30 and 27. So this is what it's gonna look like for the first mist, and then I start to shade again like this, just roughly mist it. This time you're not doing it one after the other, you're just cutting it and mixing it all together. This is how it's going to look by the time you mix it twice, and then you can mix again. So you can see it's completely mixed now. By the time you brush it, you're going to see how it's going to look. I'm just going to start brushing it. And when you're brushing, if you don't want to lose a lot of extension, a lot of hair, start from the tip. When you start brushing from the tip, work your way upwards. So this is how you basically mix your ombre extension. It's properly mixed together. By the time you braid with it, you will see how beautiful it will look. So those of you who don't have idea on how to ombre your extension, your attachment, this is a very, very good idea on how you can easily ombre your attachment to make your hair or your client's hair